How to fix no internet after fresh Windows update. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your start menu and then go to settings. After that, go to network and internet. Now go to your Wi-Fi. Toggle your Wi-Fi off and then turn it back on. After that, if you are using Ethernet or other network, simply go over there and then restart it as well. Next, simply go to your search bar and then search for device manager. After opening device manager, go to network adapters, tap on your Wi-Fi and then simply update your driver. If you have already updated driver, what you can do is simply disable or uninstall the device and then reinstall it back. And that should fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.